Hello. We are sharing the relationship secrets of two famous YouTube couples.
The couples are Shane and Liana and Ash and Evan. Oh, you don't know them? Stick around until the end of this video. You will learn two secrets of their relationship and also from my own experience. The first secret is a secret marriage. But I will never reveal on social media anyone's personal secrets. I am only commenting on what they shared in their documentary. If you have not seen it, you can go watch it. I am leaving a link in the description below. Shane is from Jamaica. He came to New York on a student visa. He met Liana at a university in New York. Liana grew up in the Bronx. While still in college, Shane and Liana secretly married. They did not tell their parents, family, or friends they were married until some time later. Recently, Shane apologized to Liana's mother, stepfather, and father for marrying Liana without telling them.
I just want to tell you guys, first of all, I want to tell you guys, sorry. I apologize for, when I first got married with Liana.
Guys, talk to your parents about your marriage plans before you get married. Shane recognized the respect due parents and showed maturity and growth in acknowledging this to the parents. And what a warm reception he received from all three parents. I made that same mistake when I was young and dumb. I got married without telling my parents first. How disrespectful that was. I too owe my mother an apology. An inspired writer wrote these words. A young man who enjoys the society and wins the friendship of a young lady unbeknown to her parents does not act a noble Christian part toward her or toward her parents. Through secret communications and meetings, he may gain an influence over her mind. But, in so doing, he fails to manifest that nobility and integrity of soul which every child of God will possess. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-5 says, Charity suffereth long, and is kind. Charity envieth not. Charity vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up, doth not behave itself unseemly. In other words, real love is humble. Shane demonstrated genuine love by humbling himself, and God has blessed Shane and Liana with great success. The second couple's secret is only a secret because it is so rare. That secret is the expression of genuine thoughtfulness. Thoughtfulness like doing nice things for your partner for no reason and without expecting anything in return. Leaving a light on when you know your spouse will return home when it is dark. Acknowledging and remembering the things that are important to your spouse even if they seem insignificant to you. This was Evan's secret. This was Evan's secret. Let me just let them talk about it themselves. Watch it here.
Guys, like before we met, we used to talk, and I had told him like my favorite fruit is grapes, and so he brought them, and so
we were going to do a secret photo shoot the next day. Yeah. So I needed to be there early in the morning. She was so surprised. And
it was our very first photo shoot together?
The photo shoot was actually mainly supposed to be for her because her birthday was coming up. She said she always wanted to do a photo shoot for her birthday, and so I decided to surprise her with this. Ash decides to leave work in the middle of her shift. She jumps in a taxi and sits through 5 hours of traffic on a Friday night just to come to me. And she visits me in the hospital, she sits by my side, holds my hand.
So you can see the thoughtfulness both Evan and Ash exhibit toward each other. Well, this is the end of the video. Let me know in the comments your experience with these two relationship secrets. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can talk about more important Christian life events.